What's that going nuts? Look at that party food! Party food! Go over there, you guys. Go over there. They've moved the thing. Oh my god, how am I going to get in? They've moved the log. You bastards. What is that?
This video is rated PG-16.
I've got this down pat now. Like, go away. Go away. I'm going to do it like super fast. But I'm going to do this one first and then it saves it going all over the head. That way, that way.
Notice the boot to the head.
Yeah. Nice piggy, nice piggy, nice piggy. There you go. That was relatively not too bad.
We'll just watch the style as we come back over the fence.
Oh, I've got to move my log, but I can't believe. How did they move that? Oh my gosh. Oh, my step. How did they move that?
Such style. Curtsy, please.
Done. Oh, you're filming. Chicken's are easy. As long as you speak chicken. Right. I don't even electrocute myself. That's a good thing. Here we go. Done these.
I think you should test to
Save
make.
the wolves.
I think you should test to make sure it's on. No, touch it, touch it.
I think I'll just leave that up to the wolves to discover if it's on or not. You have wolves in New Zealand?
Job is done.
Job is done. The farming is done. There's a wolf. Look.
Go, Jack.
That's it. Done.